Hello, it's Monday, September the 19th, 2011, and I'm Martin Smith with the Daily Outlook from MaxiForex. The dollar strengthened against the other major currencies as investors wait to see if Greece will default. TIC long-term purchases came out at 9.5 billion, worse than expected. Wall Street closed bullish as the Nasdaq increased by 0.58% and the Dow by 0.66%. Crude oil dropped by 2% to close at $87 a barrel, and gold rose by 2% to close at nearly $1,811 an ounce. The euro fell against the dollar after the European Central Bank said it would keep or even lower the interest rate next year. The trade balance came out minus 2.5 billion, worse than expected 1.7 billion. The euro-dollar's momentum is bullish as long as the pair remains above 136.50. Next resistance on the 1-hour chart is at 137.80. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 136.62 and a high of 138.92. No major economic data is expected today. The pound fell against the dollar, leaving a huge gap towards 157 in early Asia. According to the 4-hour chart and the hourly indicators, the trend is bearish and moving towards 155. Overall, the pound dollar traded with a low of 157.05 and a high of 158.40. No significant economic data is expected today. The yen fluctuated against the dollar after mixed data released in the US caused instability in the pair. The dollar-yen is struggling at 77. As long as the pair trades below 77.20, the yen is the more attractive. Next support on the daily chart is at 76. Overall, the dollar-yen traded with a low of 76.64 and a high of 76.96. No significant data is expected today. Finally, the Canadian dollar. This reached a 2-week high versus the dollar as reports show foreign securities purchases rose. As long as the pair's trading below 0.9880, the trend for the US dollar is bearish, with a moving average indicator on the 1-hour chart supporting a negative trend for the greenback. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 0.9860 and a high of 0.9785. Well, that's it for today. Be sure to visit us at MaxiForex.ru.